And you know, we
Ito na
just,
big one?
oh yes, ang chick, when we purchased 3 years ago, it cost us 15,000 pesos. It's a money.
Wow, okay.
So, karon 3 years ago, basin og nagtaas pagani ang ilahang pricing. So, nangitlog na sila, but ang katong una na mo, 2 eggs, no? Dili pa siya fertile, but they're constantly mating.
So, how many days that makaitlog sila?
Actually, ang fertility or ang maturity stage sa ostrich, we can check it sa internet po, but from 2 to 5 years.
2 to 5 years?
Yes, sila mag 3 years na, or 3 years naman gani i-check na lang sa kuan. So, naana sila sa maturity stage and they're in good health kay nakalay sila og maayo nga itlog. Ang ginapaabot
So,
na
gagmay lang ang ilang itlog. Tag katong usa in a day, kato, nasa lay kuan? Katong ganiyang itlog, unsa man to, bago pa to siya nga na itlog?
ato to siyang December.
Ah.
Atong December, dili pa siya fertile kay batanon pa sila.
I
But
see.
constantly mating sila. So, katong mga possible incoming nga mga eggs are fertile na kay sige man silang mate.
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. They're so cute. This is look at you. You're just like,
This is the male in which it has a darker feathers, and look at that bump on the tail part. It's where the organ is hiding sa lalaki.
okay.
Kana siya,
This is male.
male.
And then the
female.
two female.
Yes.
Ah,
So they came from different parents. We especially ask that para himo og pamilya.
okay.
So
You can't believe this is coming from Mindanao and Pika is coming from Manila,
yes, sa Luzon.
Luzon. Okay.